Today's lecture is all about economic systems and the fascinating world of systems thinking. In this class, we'll explore the intricacies of financial systems, the importance of understanding them in the context of economic problems, and how systems thinking can be applied to address financial issues. First, let's define economic systems. An economic system is a complex web of interrelated components that determine how resources are allocated and how goods and services are produced, distributed, and consumed. Understanding economic systems is crucial in addressing financial problems, as these systems are at the heart of economies' operations. Without a sound grasp of economic systems, developing effective solutions to economic challenges is difficult. Now, let's move on to the relationship between economic issues and systems thinking. Systems thinking involves looking at the big picture and understanding the interconnectedness of different components within a system. By applying systems thinking to economic issues, we can better appreciate the interdependencies between economic factors and identify the root causes of financial problems. It's like looking at a puzzle where every piece is connected and interdependent. We need to see the whole picture to understand how the pieces fit together. Let's look at the specific system archetypes commonly found in economic systems. These archetypes include vicious cycles, virtuous cycles, limits to growth, and reinforcing spirals. Understanding these archetypes allows us to identify the patterns that drive economic systems and anticipate their behavior. This knowledge can help us diagnose and address economic problems more effectively. Moving on to economic modeling, let's review the tools and techniques used to model economic systems. These include stock and flow diagrams, causal loop diagrams, and dynamic models. These tools allow us to simulate the behavior of economic systems and predict the outcomes of various interventions. Modeling economic systems is crucial in predicting and mitigating financial problems, enabling us to test different scenarios and identify the best course of action. Finally, let's discuss the specific applications of systems thinking to economic problems by exploring issues related to growth, inflation, and unemployment, and learn how systems thinking can inform policy and decision-making in these areas. By considering the big picture and the interconnections between different economic factors, we can develop more effective solutions to financial problems. Economic systems are complex and multifaceted, but understanding them is crucial to solving financial problems. By applying systems thinking to economic issues, we can identify the root causes of financial problems, anticipate economic systems behavior, and develop effective solutions. So keep your eyes on the big picture, and remember that every piece of the economic puzzle is interconnected.